Welcome to Crescent Healthcare. We are a Australian-owned and operated business, trusted by the healthcare industry to provide quality equipment solutions. We have over 4 decades of experience partnering with occupational therapists, support coordinators, plan managers, hospitals and aged care providers. As a trusted partner in healthcare equipment, we provide reliable equipment and services tailored to your needs. In 2026, we're expanding that commitment through the Crescent Healthcare Events Program, a flexible series of learning opportunities designed to make practical education and specialist support easier to access. The program includes interactive workshops, roadshows, online events and webinars, and on-site sessions, giving you multiple ways to connect, learn, and explore equipment in real-world settings. Join us at the Crescent Healthcare Experience Centre for interactive hands-on sessions that explore real equipment in a practical environment. We understand that regional clinicians and carers often have fewer opportunities to see equipment up close. That's why our team is hitting the road. The 2026 Crescent Healthcare Roadshow will visit locations across Metro Melbourne and regional Victoria. Can't make it in person? No problem. Our online events and webinars bring Crescent Healthcare to you. Join us online for themed presentations, product showcases and webinars, all designed to be interactive and practical. Want your whole team involved? We'll come to you. Crescent Healthcare offers on-site demonstrations and training sessions anywhere in Victoria. These tailored sessions help care teams explore equipment options together and plan how to integrate them into daily practice. Secure early access to session dates, locations, and topics by completing the pre-registration form today. Pre-registrations close the 23rd of January 2026. Join our online community today and experience the difference of personalized support and a team that's here to help you care for others.